Alright, so in this particular segment, we're going to be looking at the Sites tab. So let's go ahead and click that. The Sites tab basically allows you to look at a number of sites. Basically allows you to look at a number of sites in the Aquatic Data Warehouse. Orient you a little bit to what exactly these pins represent. The blue represents sites that you have entered or your agency has entered, and you have access to editing those data. And the pinkish, reddish colored pins actually represent other agencies' data that's integrated with the Aquatic Data Warehouse. So let's quickly go ahead and click the site that we've created, St. John River Dam. You can see there's information regarding this particular site. There's four current events located from that site, so click that. Now this expands to include more information on the aquatic site details, so you can see the analytical methods, the date in which the data was collected, and the agency that collected the data, the weather conditions, and what the water level looked like. So let's go ahead and click open up that particular entry. Now you can go ahead and you can see the samples. So you can see the samples again that we had entered earlier. Click observations. You can see the observations that were added. You can see, okay, we've got the water attributes, water course, alteration, weather, and you can go ahead and continue on. Click measurements. You can look at the measurements that were added again and look at the report for that particular site. So now let's go ahead and return to our data collection sites. So click sites. Those were sites that you've collected data on. Let's go ahead and look at another site. You can look at all these different sites. You can see, okay, Gaspereau River. There are 2 events currently located in Gaspereau River. So let's go ahead and expand that. Okay, so these are the 2 events, and these were the dates when the events were created. Okay, so that's what the Sites tab is. Now for the Upload and the Maps tab, we're going to be talking about that once the functionality is in place, and explain to users how they can go ahead and upload the data in a much more automatic fashion using those standardized Microsoft Excel templates that we're mandating everybody use, especially if you're going to use the bulk uploading tab, because that's the only way we can get the data into the system and it makes sense. Otherwise you have to use the manual process, so please make sure that you're using those standardized Microsoft templates for collecting your data.